How to fix EAFC 26 Ultimate Team Wi-Fi connection error. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are diving deep into a critical network issue where EAFC 26 Ultimate Team fails to connect over Wi-Fi, returning an error that redirects you back to the main menu, while other online modes and online friendlies continue to work perfectly. Our investigation revealed that this problem frequently isolates the Ultimate Team servers and even blocks access to the FC companion app when connected to the same Wi-Fi network, while mobile data connections remain completely unaffected. Throughout our diagnostics, we tested every possible network layer, from local DNS configurations to ISP infrastructure updates, to bring you the definitive technical guide on resolving this connectivity roadblock. First, we need to isolate the connection by testing an alternate network gateway using your mobile device. Disconnect your PC or console from your primary Wi-Fi network and enable your mobile hotspot using your cellular data. Connect your system to the hotspot and launch EAFC 26 to verify if Ultimate Team loads successfully. Teknobalta confirmed during testing that if UT opens via mobile data but fails on Wi-Fi, the root cause lies within your local ISP routing or modem configuration. Next, you must perform a complete IP configuration, reset through the Windows command prompt to clear any stale local routing tables. Open command prompt with administrative privileges and execute the command to release your current IP address. Follow this immediately by renewing the IP address to force your router to assign a fresh local network identifier. Our technical team recommends restarting your system after this step to ensure the network adapter cleanly binds to the new configuration. After resetting your IP, flush your DNS resolver cache to remove any corrupted or outdated domain name lookups pointing to EA servers. In your elevated command prompt, run the flush DNS command and wait for the confirmation message. This process forces your system to query fresh IP addresses for the Ultimate Team login gateways the next time you launch the game. If flushing the cache does not resolve the routing loop, you must manually change your domain name system servers to an alternative provider. Navigate to your network adapter properties and replace your default DNS with Cloudflare or Google DNS addresses. While our testing showed that DNS adjustments alone might not bypass strict ISP blockages, configuring a clean DNS is a mandatory baseline step to rule out domain lookup failures. When standard DNS modifications fail, check if your local network adapter properties are misconfigured or experiencing driver conflicts. Open the device manager, locate your Wi-Fi network adapter, and verify that the latest stable driver version is installed without any warning flags. Ensure that power-saving modes are disabled in the adapter's advanced properties, so the wireless card maintains consistent power during high-load server authentication. We also tested performing a factory reset on the modem to clear out any corrupted internal firewall rules or faulty NAT tables. Access your router's administrative interface or press the physical reset button to restore the default factory settings. Once the modem reboots, reconfigure your clean Wi-Fi credentials and test the Ultimate Team connection before altering any advanced routing features. During our in-depth analysis, Teknobalta discovered that this specific Ultimate Team Wi-Fi block frequently stems from regional ISP infrastructure problems, particularly on networks sharing central telecommunications backbones. When local modem resets and IP flushes fail, the issue is rarely on your local machine and instead involves routing restrictions at the internet service provider level. This explains why standard online modes work normally, while the secure authentication handshake for Ultimate Team is dropped. To resolve an ISP-level routing failure, you must contact your network provider's customer service and formally report an application-specific connection block. When speaking with support, Explicitly state that you are experiencing packet drops and routing failures exclusive to EA Ultimate Team servers, while general internet traffic remains normal. Our investigation confirmed that service providers can investigate their regional gateways to identify routing loops affecting specific gaming servers. In many cases, the most effective way to trigger a backend ISP fix is to open a technical support ticket through your provider's mobile application. Request that an authorized technician log a detailed service request for server routing optimization on your account profile. Teknobalta's analysis showed that technical support teams can remotely apply server-side updates to your profile without requiring manual input of technical logs from your end. Once the ISP support team processes your ticket, they will push a remote server update to synchronize your connection with updated routing tables. In our testing, once the customer service team applied their backend server configuration patch, the Ultimate Team Wi-Fi error was completely resolved. Always request confirmation from the representative that a network refresh or server-side routing update has been pushed to your active line. While waiting for an ISP routing patch, verify that your local Windows firewall is not blocking EAFC 26 Ultimate Team authentication packets. Open the Windows Defender Firewall settings and check the inbound and outbound rules for all EA Sports and Steam executables. Ensure that both public and private network profiles explicitly allow unrestricted traffic for the game client. You should also examine any third-party antivirus suites or network monitoring tools that might be inspecting and dropping secure Wi-Fi packets. Temporarily disable any active web threat protection or firewall modules within your security software to see if the connection to Ultimate Team passes through. If access is restored, add an absolute exclusion for the entire EAFC 26 installation directory within your security program. Next, optimize your local wireless signal integrity to ensure packet loss is not causing the sensitive Ultimate Team authentication handshake to time out. Switch your Wi-Fi connection from the congested 2.4 GHz band to a 5 GHz channel to minimize interference from nearby household devices. We recommend analyzing your local wireless spectrum and selecting a less crowded channel within your router's administrative settings. For users connecting through Steam, verify the integrity of your game files to ensure no network configuration DLLs or authentication modules are corrupted. Open your Steam library, right-click EAFC 26, navigate to installed files, and run the verification process. This automatically replaces any damaged client-side files that could prevent your system from establishing a secure session with EA servers. If your ISP utilizes Carrier-Grade NAT, this infrastructure can sometimes interfere with peer-to-peer and server-client gaming protocols over Wi-Fi. Contact your ISP and request to be removed from the CGNAT pool or ask for a static, public IP address assignment. Our diagnostics indicate that obtaining a dedicated public IP often eliminates persistent connection bottlenecks that standard modem resets cannot fix. You should also review your router's quality of service settings to ensure gaming traffic is prioritized over standard background downloads. Log into your router's interface, locate the COS menu, and assign your PC or gaming console as a high-priority network device. This prevents localized bandwidth throttling from interrupting the initial authentication, token exchange, when you enter Ultimate Team. Furthermore, inspect your router's MTU size settings, as an incorrectly fragmented packet can cause secure EA logins to fail over wireless connections. Verify that your router's maximum transmission unit is set to the standard default of 1500 for standard Ethernet and Wi-Fi networks, or 1492 for PPPoE connections. Adjusting an incorrect MTU value ensures that login payloads are transmitted cleanly without being dropped by upstream servers. Finally, if you have tested every local fix and confirmed that the issue is an ISP backbone routing error, follow up on your technical support ticket persistently. Monitor your connection after the ISP confirms they have deployed a server-side update, and restart your modem one final time to synchronize with the new network pathways. By addressing both local system configurations and ISP routing tables, you can permanently resolve the EAFC 26 Ultimate Team Wi-Fi connection error. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.